Sunday on My Kung Fu. Oh, My Kung Fu. Part 1, 2, and 3. Oh, My Kung Fu. Part 1, 2, and 3. Oh, My Kung Fu. So beautiful. Well, your complexion.
The doctor said if I no bring can get sick bar.
Are you tired of loving her?
Who said I loved her? She was just a fling.
It is better you go marry your fling.
Bridget! Why did you have to do this, Bridget? Why?
Are you some goddess?
You don't want to know.
Fetish priestess?
No, not it.
So tell me, what are you?
You know that Raj and I got down, naughty and dirty. He slept with me. I mean, he slept with her.
That was fast.
Damn, Raj. You moved on too quick. No woman is faithful to her spouse. The whore I married cheated on me, and so I divorced her.
Look at this stupid bloke calling me a whore.
Public dog.
Public toilet.
Pig latrine even.
Latrine. To top level, you have the guts to say,
I love you.
You love your father. Asia, Abua, stupid fool. Hate you.
You wouldn't make love to me. You wouldn't have sex with me.
What? Are you mad? Have sex with who?
Cheater. Terminator. Etrimodine. Part 1 and 2. Hey, y'all four papa.
Now to me and Sape, Sayadi, a cool per 1,000.
2 and 3. If you are mad, free about tell me. Now, airport one of the shares I'm from.
You don't see catch in your mind.
Because me the name they say almost to be found question. One can say to go go.
2 and 3.
One can so fear what here. Pony be bewana.
What we are time?
They said you say we are born to die for Madagascar.
1, 2 and 3.
Mommy, there's nothing wrong with me.
What you are bearing yet you?
What is 100,000 cities for?
Killing my wife.
What?
Fucking my wife. Do you enjoy?
Mr. Rollins, I don't.
My only child's life is on the balance, and all you can sit here and say is you don't have a clue?
We can't pinpoint exactly where the attack is coming from.
If anything happens to my child, I will bring down the host of hell upon you.
Tell me about your work.
He's a photographer and he paints for a living. He's a what? A painter? So you are joking with your marriage because of a painter?
I love paintings and I love art.
I really enjoy making paintings out of still pictures.
Do you have any slightest idea of the truth or where it's coming from?
I have enough evidence to back what
To back your death. You and your cohort of the tracks do not lay off private life. I swear I'll have your flesh turn into so many pieces, even the vultures won't find it.
So you knew all this and you didn't tell me anything?
Because I didn't want to believe the fact that my wife was sleeping with a dirty criminal.
Is that why you're not wearing your wedding ring? Shit! I left it at Raffles' house. You did what? Did you or did you not storm into his office that day? But I did not answer yes or no.
Why are you always acting like a demon?
Because you know I'm a demon.
You're threading where angels tread.
So that do you part. I am some kind of sucker you used to achieve your aim, right?
I haven't found my keys. Tracing the whereabouts of the keys could lead to the person behind that attempted murder.
Where a man cannot reach, death reaches.
This is my life, Mother. I don't think I can live with you anymore.
Why go ahead and keep fucking your wife until you decide what the next move is?
ya jukira ntulengera kalanka tono nyo akasinema no the return of Uncle Benoni gwe munage anyumiru ebina Uganda ataba Ramoni movie industry balese eno action packed movie okuva mu Ramon film production bana bakuzanyira who killed Captain Alex kuno nga bakuletedde omulembe action packed movie waraba who killed Captain Alex nga bolinda rescue team sokolabe kweno baba nani stop deadly actions movie kugambye wonyagalira ogifuna okuva mu Ramon film production nani stop deadly kicks years to watch the return of Uncle Benon movie Ugandan movie nagambye kina Uganda tulabye filimu ez'aba western eno yanjawulo ku ndala alo ejjudde omukono gwa buli kkala yesawa wojagalira wogifunira kina Uganda bwenkugamba action packed movie otegeera ki to watch movie wefunire kopi yo olwaleero tukira nti tusokwa naffe aba Ramon film production bali ku 0701921775 get your copy.
Jealousy Part 1 Take 1 directed by JP Boss, camera JP Boss. Jealousy, beautiful to say money. Jealousy, of his uncle. Jealousy that kill you. Jealousy will kill you. Jealousy, jealousy that make people kill people. Jealousy, he's a fine boy, but America boy.
Hello.
Ku. It's Uncle Waga.
Oh, Uncle Waga. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'll call you to let you know that your auntie here is very sick. I need money to see the doctor. Because she's very sick. She's very sick. Take me money to see the doctor. I sent money last time. I don't have no more money. You guys are calling the money. Your auntie here is very sick. I need money to I don't have any money. I'm almost late for work. Oh, you're going to work? I'll call you back as soon as I come back. But I don't have any money. I'm sorry, I don't have any money. I understand. I sent money last time. I sent money last week. Last week I sent money. don't have it. Money. I'm going to work. I'm going to be late. I should call you back when I come back. Okay. Okay. He's telling me that he has no money. But we see him on Facebook posting all kinds of stuff. And now I'm asking him to send me money for his auntie. And he refuses. Hey! We shall see. We shall see. You see, I'm here because that son lives in America and he refused to send money to us. So I just want to make him a little bit sick. So he wants me to kill him. No, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Just a little bit sick.
jealousy of his uncle. Jealousy that kill you. Jealousy will kill you. Jealousy, jealousy that make people kill you.